Active inline tools like IPS and firewalls are critical to cybersecurity. Unfortunately, tool updates, repairs, and replacements trigger costly downtime. Many of these inline tools may have built-in bypass functionality, but what happens when the tool needs to be updated, repaired, or replaced? Downtime. For 24/7 networks, inline bypass taps are the answer. In downtime, shorten repair windows and eliminate those single points of failure. An inline bypass tap sits between the network segments and the inline tool. It constantly sends heartbeat packets to check the tool's availability. If the tool's health changes, the tap instantly bypasses it, keeping your network up and running. An EdgeSafe Bypass TAP empowers you to sandbox, deploy, and troubleshoot without taking the network offline.